What's up, guys? So I have this iPod mini, and it's kind of dying, so I want to rip the music off of it. So let's plug it in, see if it still lives. That's not a good sign. Is it completely dead? No. It's alive. Very much alive. Alright, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let this charge and we'll get back. Okay, so we have our iPod, it's on. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Alright, now it says do not disconnect. So let's do this. Let's see if this works. Okay, so upon refresh, there's the iPod. So we're gonna go ahead and open the iPod. It needs to be in USB mass storage mode for you to be able to see it. And for this to work, you need to have in your file explorer, press Alt to, oh wait, no, you click View actually and go to Options, and then you go to View, and then you need to do Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, this thing right here. And you need to do that. Okay, so that's done. Go in here, iPod Control is the hidden folder. Go in there, go to Music. And this is the directory with all the music. So what we want to do, each one of these folders has some music in it, right? And the file name is encrypted, but the tags are still there. So all you need to do is let's make a folder on the desktop. Call it iPod music, iPod_music. Let's not capitalize that, but you can call it whatever you want. Okay, so copy all this, copy, put it in the new folder. Alright, so we're gonna let this copy, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so this is done. I've Googled how to do this in PowerShell since you guys probably don't have Bash. It's really easy in Bash. So if you're on like OS X or if you're on a Mac, it'll be probably easier because you'll have Bash. But anyways, PowerShell. Let's open PowerShell. There we go. Jesus Christ, that's massive. Okay. So let's move to, let's see, I'm going to go to my desktop. So you're going to go to your desktop, CD to your desktop, which would, if you're on a default install, it'll be like CD is the command to change directory, so you'll go there, or you could just, I don't know, there's tweaks so you can like right click in a directory and open PowerShell, but that's registry shit that I'm not gonna mess with right now. So let's go to iPod music, and then you type part of the name and hit tab, and it'll auto-complete it. So here's our, oh wait, what happened? Wait, how do I, list hidden directories, PowerShell. Sorry, bear with me here. Force. Okay, so apparently we need to make a, right, so let's just make a PowerShell script. You need to have file extensions, so where it says hide extensions for known file types right here, that needs to be unchecked. And then you'll open it with Notepad++. I'm going to copy this script, and it's going to be, okay, it's PS1, so file save as move.ps1. There we go. Okay, so PS1. And running scripts is disabled, so you need to do, you need to open PowerShell as administrator. Yes. Oh, it's dashes. Okay, so set dash execution policy restricted. Yes to all A. There we go. Okay, now we can run our script. Alright, so I have our script open. I'm going to copy address as text and then put that as the directory and then try to run it. Run with PowerShell. Did it work? Oh right, I need to add force. You need to add force. So dash force. There we go. That should work now because they're hidden. They're hidden. So run with PowerShell. There we go. Okay, that works. Okay, perfect. Yeah, you just need to add force to that, and then you can delete the directories. Okay, now for the tagging, you can see that the file names are encrypted, but the taggings are all intact. So I have this program called Kid3 Audio Tagger. It's probably the best option for this. So I have it in here on a folder, so I'm going to go ahead and open that. I'm going to open directory, desktop, iPod music, and there's all that. So, and then I'm going to select all. I'm going to do artist title name from tag 1, from tag 2, and then save. And that's going to rename everything based on its tagging. And it looks like we're missing some. Some of these don't even have tags, but I think these are just YouTube rips. That's why they don't have tags. But you shouldn't have any YouTube rips that aren't tagged. If you do, it's your own fault. Let me see what these are actually. Yeah, they're YouTube rips. Okay, so that's why they aren't tagged. But anyways, that's you run that, and then you have your. See, it's all named now, except for the YouTube rips, which I never tagged. So I have a lot of YouTube rips, I think. Wait, what's this? Yeah, these are all YouTube rips that I never tagged. Oh, and when you're looking through the tags, like after you open your folder and you select all, it's going to show this little icon on the left, V2, V1, or V3, and if you look through them and if you see like V3, so like let me see, where's one? V3. If it has V3 tags but no V2 or V1, then it won't take the name. So what you need to do is, anyways, let's say you have one like this. Basically what you do is you open the tag 3 and then you do 2, tag 1 or tag 2 or both, and then save, and then you just do the name from tag 1 or tag 2 or both, and then save, and that'll name your V3s if you have V3s. Yeah, they're all YouTube rips. Okay, well anyways, that's how you do it. Just ignore the ones that aren't tagged, they're YouTube rips. That I already have copies of, so I don't really need to worry about it, but yeah, that's basically how you pull your music off an iPod. It's not encrypted or anything, only the file names are encrypted, but all the taggings are still intact. So yeah, you don't need to install any of that shady like fucking malware they try to sell you that does it for you, but all that shit does anyways is what we've just done here. So yeah, this is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Peace.